Welcome friends. In this video, we will learn how to use JavaScript in our HTML document. JavaScript is a part of Java, and Java is an object-oriented language created by Sun Microsystem. But JavaScript is not an object-oriented language. JavaScript is a object-based language which is used to manipulate the HTML document and validate the HTML document. So in this document, we will see how to use JavaScript in our HTML document. So you are now familiar with forms, how to create forms and how to use forms. So we have created here one form named calc, which is calculator. In this form we have written one head tag and displayed calculator heading. We are retrieving two inputs from the user. One is the number 1 and other is number 2. For each input, we have created separate text box called N1 and N2. So we have given name to these both text box. We have also created one button using type is equal to button, and we have given value is equal to answer. So let's see what will be the design layout of this form. We can see form is displayed. Now we will write JavaScript in this form. JavaScript is written in head tag and we have to create script tag, and in script tag we have to pass one attribute called language, and we have to give language is equal to JavaScript. Now in script tag we have to write JavaScript. So we can create function or declare variable in this script tag. So we are creating now functions. Function is the block of code which can be called repeatedly and many times. So we are creating function using function keyword. Here we have to pass name of the function. We are writing calc. In curly braces we have to write code for this function. So now we are utilizing these inputs in our function. So to retrieve this input in our JavaScript, document object is used. So first let's declare variable a, and in a variable we are storing the value entered in the text box 1, which is N1. The value entered by user in text box is type of string. So first we have to convert that type into integer. So parse integer function is used to convert the string type to integer. And now document object is used to access this value. In document object form calc. In form calc we want to access N1 element, and the value of N1 is accessed by property value. So now we have accessed this value and store that value into a variable. Similarly, we will use b variable to store N2 value. Now we will declare one more variable called sum, and we will sum these both variable a plus b. Now I want to display message box, and message box can be displayed using alert function. So in alert function we can pass string which want to display. I want to display answer is, and I want to display sum of the two numbers which is stored in sum variable. So this can be concatenated by plus operator in JavaScript. So we will displaying some message box which contains answer of the addition. Now we have created function. So I want to display the answer on the click of the button. So on click attribute of button is used to call the JavaScript function. So I will pass the JavaScript function name. Here it is calculator, which calc. Now let's see the output. So now let's enter the value in the text box. We are entering number 1 as a 10, number 2 as a 15, and click on the answer. We can see message box is displayed with the answer 25. So this is how we can use JavaScript in our HTML pages or HTML document. So this is use of JavaScript. Thank you.